Biafra. All hail Biafra. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending where you are. Yes. There was some talk in your go 247. But I want to engage my can we go? But when you want to this message, I because make sure that this message Lutelo 555 vision aka. Make sure that this message how we can make one rise. I this message we go 247. We do this message where we got a full woman like you in France. We got this message. Then I'm calling you again, Kelena. From videos he made this morning or yesterday, until we were here. Oboni disease from April. Shajila family, Gemechakalo family, and all of you on the social media, ne broadcast against Biafrans. Cheruno, Nkere na Sonia Barawa Kuneme. Unmecha video no name, Unuche video on name, mad implication of ya on name. Chiamaka jail na Akbarawa na Nkere is fighting with Ngozora base, yes. But he do a question at this arrangement to number before. All those people are known in the media, like Kai TV, like Kelena, like Bonka Media.
Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back again in a new video reaction. I just want you to listen to this man. I don't know him, alright? I have not talked to him. I don't know anything. I was told that he's an elderly person. And he don't behave like an elder, to be honest with you. You know, an elder that loves to tell lies is not someone you should be proud of. You are calling my name, although you say Kai TV. My channel name is not Kai TV, it's Kai Report. But that's it. I know that you are talking to me. Now, you said that Chajna, I don't know who would be by Chajna, that their family, your family will be worse than Chajna. That's your prayer. Your own family as an elderly person. That's your prayer, and because you are not praying against anybody here, you don't even know that you are somehow causing yourself. The only thing I want to tell you, tell all of us, not people like him, you cannot stop people from saying the truth. You will try to stop truth, but you can't succeed. You see, there's no problem. I don't have any issue. Likewise, Kenena that you mentioned and other people that you called, I don't think they have issue with Nkere. Do I know Nkere? The answer is no. Has he done anything wrong to me personally? No. Am I wishing him bad? No. But I am telling you what I know that is truth. That this is what you need to do. This is how we can do it. And mind you that when you talk about Biafra, my own land is included. My father's house is included. My village is there. So if you say something or lie about Biafra, which I know that you're gonna, at long run, it will affect me. If I air my opinion, you see it as a wrong thing, but you want people to believe on everything you are saying. It's not true. Ask yourself this question: whenever you discuss about your own family house, do we counter anything about it? No, right? Because you are talking about something that is personal to you. If you don't want people to, air the opinion, don't talk about something that will end up correcting those people to that. Do we want freedom? Yes. Are we going through a lot in the hands of Nigeria? Yes. Do we want our people to suffer? No. Do we wish anybody that wish our people, happy, bad? Are we wishing them bad? The answer is no. But this idea of blackmailing people, lying about people, lying against people, telling things that's not even in the mind of anybody. You are putting it look like you are against people. We know, see, like me, for example, I know many things to say, but I'm trying to be conservative in terms of my words and choosing my words because I don't want to escalate problem. But does it mean that those who have the time or feel they want to aid the way they're saying it, are they wrong? No, they're not wrong. Though. They are saying it the way they're saying it because they know that this is the truth, and truly it is the truth. The way I pass my message could be remarkably different from the way you yourself pass your message. So if you see what I'm saying as a problem, it simply means that you yourself is the problem for all. Because what I'm saying here is the betterment of everybody. And I have some of you are good in blackmailing other people. This man went as far as saying that we are insulting men on ground. I said it in my previous video. One of the reasons why they keep on telling you that you are insulting men on ground is because they want you to start having problem, or they in their own little cockroach mindset that they want men on ground to see you as an enemy, so that whenever they see you, they're gonna let them pat you. That's what is going, because the agenda and the purpose of what they're saying is for them to bring problem to you or to make you start having issue with men on ground, so that by so doing, men on ground will not see you. Oh, you don't want us to succeed. Oh, you're actually wishing us bad. Therefore, let us go after you. That is their mentality. But the real people that are protecting our land don't reason that way. What I'm saying is not for you to believe me or to feel happy. But this idea of an elderly man behaving as if he knows everything when he knows nothing. Listen to him again.
Media, that girl, and even Linda TV, I'm just talking to you again. You remember they apologized even last year for you to publish my name at that info. Now pull get down if you knock image at the video, kid you ever watch. I hear the woman hear the woman. Linda TV, this is still from info. It's not your brother and you get information from here before. Here program. No, your brother's on here. Come on again or here. And I know this is still from this nonsense or nonsense.
So is it the reason why it's not good for you to throw your number out in the public for everybody to start calling you? Especially those who are born gossipers. You know, there are some people who are inborn gossiper, like they have that system in them. Take for example, this man, they said is almost, or if not more than 50 years. Okay, at his age, he had conversation with the lender. I'm not the one making any allegation from his own video, or voice note rather. He had conversation with the lender last year. And later told him some things in confidence that I got information from my brother that is not her name. It could be in any way. I don't want to mention anything. But he's here bringing it out in the public. The same thing he did to Remages. I watched Remages discussing about this man. Anywhere you go, Oga, you always have issue with people. Why? Why? Can't you discuss anything with somebody and keep it? That's what women do. You don't just because of any problem you have an issue with somebody, bam, let's just go and aid. It is wrong. It is very, very, very wrong. You know, they have one thing in common. Always, what men on ground are gonna do you this, men on ground are gonna do you that. Nkere TV made a video just a few hours ago before I started recording the video. Okay, and I saw somebody, the comment that the person made, hand go touch you. Some of them they will keep on jumping from platform to platform to platform to platform, looking for who to threat. Dibena godo todo. Iki okonenu. Dibena godo todo. Iki okonenu. Listen to this person.
Nonsense or enable information likewise Kelena, likewise Kai TVs. Achom Kunun Jabuto Junu here. And all to go possible because message Alutes Sonia Barawa. and the Nkere and the Van Vermont, because
today will be the first and last I'm going to reply or play your audio here again. Why? I want you to open your own platform. Then put yourself like this you are saying now on your camera, say it, then I will start taking you serious. Because all this off your mic, or off your camera, and say talk and all. You want me to start addressing you when I can't even tell how you look, like your facial expression, your body language, your facial structure. I don't even know who you are, even your name. You are the one calling my name. But the problem is that your image and your identity is on, just like Otan Oketa, someone like Nkere Gift, that he want to address me or talk to me. If you want to talk, bring your image out. Like, I'm not saying this is not a threat to you, but I want to know who you are. I will engage you. I don't have any contact, any connection. My own is to do the analysis I'm doing here. Oh, who are abundantly pushing a call in a make cause somebody who is not even in government, somebody who is not in decision making of anything at all, is what you are picking and highlighting the person's statement that is putting what you are doing in danger as one. Do I have any letterheading? I don't have any letterheading. You guys have letterheading, have long leg, you have contact, you have everything. You are raising money. You are all these things. You are doing it. You are there. You have contact of PM, contact of Nkere. These are top men, man. People who you guys are, glorifying. Fine. PM is whom I know. Like, that is the person that I listen to. Masakan is the person I'm listening to. But you see all those ones that are just mere broadcasters, and you want me to do what? If you want to challenge anybody, what you need to do, create your own platform. When you create your platform, do some of videos, okay? When you do some videos, people will listen to you, and when they listen to you, then you cannot start calling people out to debate you, that since you want debate. I don't know what you mean by that. And for you to understand that these people know what they're doing, because the person who they have bend with, which is Nkere, is not ready to talk, to even, to address people without in our pause regarding on the book. Then you guys think, or you feel that you are in position to, to talk, to tell people what you want, what they need to know, how they, you understand that kind of thing. So you want to talk on his behalf. Let me play the more, because I don't think I'm not gonna play everything, because sometimes when you listen to these people you feel irritated. Listen.
Particular, Mwa Yenjuelu Wa Ade Winston Kit last year, if a woman when a money bit war na social media. Okay, distract here in our enemy room. Can we penetrate here?
As if you actually care about what you have name. You care, and since you are an elderly person and you have followed the movement all this while, from your own mind, you believe that Nkere is the right person to lead and give you your freedom, right? You believe that, and you don't know the qualities that you need as a leader in a movement like this. Listen.
You can defeat na platform. You know, link it to you full boy when working. How we watch us on a platform my channel, because na Biafrans on. I just want to let you people know this morning. Now, at that day, Ranjo, evil woman stabbed my younger brother at the back. But you people don't know exactly what is going on. Achomka unu voice ya we will garia. Unu watch last year mbona agbom sapo. Unu watch unu ga fun na wo be boss na mchori bring it down. Na mchori Biafrans na mchori bring it down. Na mchori bring it down. Na mchori bring it down. Omezi all the Biafrans niile chenonya awuriva amahono ifo woman. Everybody na agbomi.
I am not good in defending somebody that is alive. Like, I'm not good in defending something that I don't have access to. I always want to make sure that I maintain my lane. And if you ask me my opinion on what he's saying, I will tell you that what he's saying now is nonsense. I don't say Adadorama as what he's just trying to say, what he's saying here. But that's his reference because I trust Adana. I don't know how to reply and to give you the way you want it. It is good to support whoever you want to support. I'm not saying, okay, don't listen to him or he's this. No, don't follow anybody. No, follow whoever you want to follow. But don't find problem when you see another person follow you who he or she want to follow. You cannot eat your cake and still have it. You need to stand one place, please. You believe that Nkere is giving you freedom. You like Sana Parawa and Vam, all these people. You like them. Do you actually believe that we hate them? We don't hate them. What we do is that what you say is that what they're doing is out of context. You cannot be doing that kind of thing and expect to achieve anything. And we see lie when we know lie when we see one. Why? Because we used to see lies. It will be an abomination that we followed all the case and all the attack propaganda of DOS, advanced propaganda. What we follow them here. DOS know how they tried their best to the extent they went as far as creating PM picture as if he's in somewhere in a beach with a lady. Most of you saw that picture. They went as far as creating those things. DOS went as far as using Ngoso Konjiwara, okay, tweet and change everything as if that this is the recent one though, before they copy him for questioning, before his arrest. DOS are not joking when it comes to propaganda and lies. They are more advanced than all of you. We were able to dictate, to see through that. I was going to go on with Yakebe. And that bondage in the software, so you think that when you see, black business, black market, we don't identify it. Then how do you think that we're able to escape the US? How do you think? Many people have come and gone. We are not members. We are outside watching everything. So we know a lot of things in terms of how you guys start your dancing steps. Because I've seen many people dancing in the public like this. And you have proven to us that the age is just a number. Because if age is not a number, a man of your age will not be saying what you're saying here. You should be proud. There's another man, elderly person that normally comment on my video. He's I don't want to mention his name because I know he will still watch the video. Most of them are watching without commenting anymore because they can't, just ignore the truth like that. We are saying the truth now. Only we think if the guy marry female because no is so kind of. I'm not here to or to make you feel comfortable about it. No. As long as I'm not blackmailing you, that what you are saying is obvious reason, the real truth, and you can't cover it with one hand. We need to walk and we get tired. Because truth remains truth. It is even more difficult to make truth to look like lies than making truth to be what it is. Some of you cherish lies a lot. You want people to lie to make you feel comfortable. That I'm not part of that, and I cannot be. Now listen to this.
Prime Minister Pota, which manasi no go phone. Obuna Prime Minister Pota, more personal. I will go to Finland, the personal, to go and report. Na obuna men with the Prime Minister na phone. Odun go possible we 100% here. There's maybe so many young about that they are because now Malugo no a full woman. And that I'm happy
at least for once in your life, at least once in your life now, you will only faithful. If your man and God are best, serious, nah, need happy. You one thing need to go happy about. Or tell me one thing that Nkere have done that you're happy about. One thing. Mention one thing. Can you? About here, I want the message to get to Mr. A. You want people to start calling your name on the different platforms. Each of you platform you put and market gets promote to Nkere. Not this way. If that person. Yeah, if there's many ways you can use, you can do that. And for some of you that have my WhatsApp number, because this contact I just mentioned now remind me that I have issue with that WhatsApp number again, and I'm trying to restore it, but it's not true. It's not yet true. I have this our brother, Exodus. Please, you remember our conversation. So I'm trying my best to get in touch with you. Even today, I thought we're supposed to have one of it today, but if you know. I will just bear with me. I will get back to you, okay? And I don't know if if it's possible for you to email me your number again, because that WhatsApp disappeared and everything just follow suit. So that's a stuff another day. Anyway, if you know that you want freedom and you want our people to be protected, you want all those things from our people, please always endeavor to follow the truth.